Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fall River, local and long distance movers near me. If it's time to relocate, you need a cheap Fall River moving company for your local or long distance move. 3 Movers offers the right option for your specific needs. We know how to make your move simple. Whether you're moving 1,000 miles away or 5 miles away, our team can handle any type of residential or commercial move. You can make your relocation so much easier with our help. Our long distance movers can even offer packing services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Getting the right movers for your needs isn't always easy. Our team of long distance movers will help you move across the country or just 100 miles to the next city. Whether you need full service or basic moving options, we can help. Are you planning a local move? Do you need a Canada moving company to help make your local move simpler? With the right moving company, you can avoid all that hard work and heavy lifting. 3 Movers offers plenty of services to make your local move simple. We offer plenty of options to make it easier to save time and energy when you're moving. Let us handle your local move and you can relax. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Fall River moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.